Bad start on Wendy. Miley has won!
Miley won? Yay!
Congratulations! Here's your trophy!
Wendy said, let's cheer her up. Wendy!
Oh, Eric.
You did well at the game today.
No, I did. I barely got any points. I woke up every morning. I ate a well-balanced meal. And I trained. I trained, and I trained again, and I trained again and again. Not only that, I rested well. Very well.
Those are really great habits, Wendy, but
what?
you don't have a good coach.
There's coaches for Hungry Hippo games?
Yeah, I won 20 times.
Really?
Yeah. Awesome. All thanks to Coach Alex. Are you the master of Hungry Hippos?
Maybe.
Can you train me, please?
Pick your hippo.
Blue, green, yellow, orange. I'll take yellow.
Good choice.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
Impossible.
Impossible is just an opinion.
You are the master.
I know.
Can you please train me?
Yeah, why not?
Hey kids!
I'm ready. What we have to do?
We dive.
I don't know how to dive.
I'll show you.
Wow, such confidence. Wow, incredible!
Okay, Eric, so all you have to do is jump, make yourself into a ball, and that's it.
Yes, sir.
You can do it, Eric. All right, Eric, from what we did in the gym, we're going to apply it to now.
Okay.
Use all your strength.
Yes, sir.
Endurance is key.
Yes, sir.
Eric, patience.
Yes, sir. I need to be patient, I need to be strong, and I need to focus.
Way to go, Eric.
Thanks, Coach.
I just created a champion. Coach Alex?
Yeah, I'll take you to Coach Alex.
Thanks, Eric.
Coach Alex, Coach Alex.
Where is he?
Huh? It's a note from Coach Alex.
Hey, I'm on vacation right now. I'll be back when I feel like it. Bye.
Oh wait, there's more. P.S. Please keep my gym clean. Oh, never mind.
Aw, so how am I gonna be as good as you?
I can train you.
Really?
Yeah, it should be easy. Let me think real quick. How did Coach Alex train me? Let's train.
Wow, I feel much different with your training.
You're definitely gonna win.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Ready, set, go! You won again, Miley!
Yay! What? I don't know what happened.
Yeah, I trained exactly how you trained.
Maybe we should see the creator of the game.
Do you mean the...
Yes, let's go. There's a link.
What are we gonna do?
I bought a boat.
Are we there yet?
It's right there.
Okay. There it is!
It's the creator of Hungry Hippo.
I want to know the secret of winning the game.
Did you train?
Every day.
I don't get it. Miley won and I won. What's the difference?
Let me ask you this. Now, when you play against your opponent, were you having fun? When you play against your opponent, how do they look like?
Oh, I get it now.
Huh? I don't get it.
I'll show you.
Okay.
I'm gonna win for sure this time.
Good luck, Wendy.
You too, Miley.
Ready, set, go!
Oh, to win is to have fun.
Congratulations, Wendy. You finally won the game.
You play so well, Wendy.
Thanks! As long as you're having fun.
You're winning. Bye.
Ha! Remain calm. Let's get out of here. Make sure you don't touch the wall. Oh, no.
It's everywhere.
What are we gonna do?
Head to the schoolyard.
What's going on? Here goes, Professor.
Perfect. Start the slime maker machine. It works.
Whoa. Wow. It's so amazing.
It sure is. Did you turn on the machine?
No.
It can't be that. Or is it? It should be here. Yes. Where is it? Whoa! 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 Odd.
Good tea, good tea. Baby tea, green tea. Ooh, it's kind of cold. Come on,
There's the power stone. I must get it. Ding dong.
Oh, who took my power stone? Caught my nose.
Ah, it's malfunctioning.
What do you mean?
The machine can't handle the power.
What's gonna happen?
I have no idea. Oh my. Guess I don't have no choice. Oh, let's get out of here. The whole school's probably covered in lava right now.
I don't think we're okay here. The floor is lava.
Well, at least we're safe here.
Was that a polar bear?
What?
Huh? Polar bear not in this area.
Yeah, they're only found in the Arctic Circle of the North Pole.
Whoa, exactly. Good job, Eric.
You taught me well.
Oh, it is a polar bear. The polar bear is chasing us!
We gotta go see Professor Max.
Yeah, we might know how to fix this. You know how to fix this?
No, I don't.
Professor Max! What is going on?
Sorry, we're trying to fix it.
Hurry before the polar bear finds us!
Polar bear?
Big polar bear.
Shield activated. The glove is the only thing that can contain the power. Oh! Whoa! Everything's back to normal!
Yeah! Oh, I gotta go check my classroom.
Bye. Oh no, it's the polar bear.
I forgot about the polar bear!
Oh no!
Polar bear.
I'm sorry, I took this without permission!
Don't do it again. That stone is very powerful. I'm the only one that can handle it.
You're right, I'm sorry! It's just so amazing! I want to learn more about it!
Ah. Well, if you come by more often, I will teach you about it.
I'll bring the tea!
Perfect.
Cheers!
Watermelon juice. Yummy, yummy.
Ellie, you can only have it if you help me.
Okay, Auntie. So messy. Let's clean this. Why is it so heavy? Yeah. It's in the bucket. Score! Oh my God, this mess. can't arrange it. I got an idea. Let's keep going. The room is nice and clean. I'm finished.
Okay, Ellie, which flavor would you like?
Watermelon, please.
All done.
Thank you, Auntie.
Hey, where'd you get that?
Over there.
Oh! Yummy pineapple.
Alex, hey.
But it's mine.
If you want it, you have to help me.
Whoa, what a mess. Ice cream for sale! Ice cream for sale! It's time to go to school! Beep beep! Beep beep! Nice and clean! Oh, let's clean this up! The balloon is done, let's clean up the clothes! Now all I have to do is wait. Finally, it's finished! Huh? Why are there so many balloons in here? Huh? So this is where all the balloons came from. Remember to always empty out your pockets before you wash. All clean! I'm done, Auntie!
Awesome, which one do you want?
Pineapple, please!
Pineapple coming up.
Ooh, I can't wait for the pineapple juice.
Here you go, Alex. Pineapple juice.
Thank you! So good!
Yeah.
Ah. Blueberry.
New flavor!
Blueberry.
Wait. If you want it, you have to help me.
Okay, Auntie. Who made that mess?
It looked cool though.
Can you clean it up for me, please?
It's time to wash the car.
Okay.
All clean!
We're finished.
Okay, 2 blueberries coming up.
Wow, blueberry.
Ooh, it looks so yummy. I can't wait.
Here are your 2 blueberries.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Blueberry is so good.
And healthy. Ellie, wake up! I want strawberry.
I want mango.
Ooh, so yummy. Ooh, looks so good.
Hey, you know the rules.
We wanted ice cream. Whoa, blue, green. This is my room. But it's so empty though.
Pass my challenge and you can get the ice cream.
Hi there. We are your challengers.
You got 10 minutes to gather 5 items with the same color as your room.
Okay, let's go. I need 5 blue items. Ooh, a ukulele.
Ooh, green chair.
A net and hook gloves. I need another item. Ah! I got all my items.
I need some red items. Ooh, popcorn machine. Ooh, yellow flowers. Ooh, pretty. I love sunflowers. Hey, did you find anything? No, I only found this. Oh, same here. We need 4 more items. Where can we get more? Oh, I know where. Oh, okay. Lead the way.
Blue carpet. Blue Cookie Monster. Blue Captain America gloves. A green chair and a green stool. Green gloves and a net.
Let's have some strawberry ice cream. Ooh. Wait, let's mix it with some mango.
Ooh, ice cream.
Mango strawberry.
Yummy.
5 minutes left.
Oh no, I'm missing 1 item. Me too.
Where can I find the last item?
Oh, this is perfect. There's no blue toy in here. I got it. All done. I got the last item, Wendy. Me too. Check it out.
1, 2, 3, 4. Where's my 5th one? I'm pretty sure I have 5 items. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've only got 4 items. Me too. Oh, let's go. Can I get the last item? Make one last item. Let's just try something. Okay. Finish. Me too. Let's go.
The kids are the winner.
Yeah. Yay.
You can have your ice cream now.
Yay. Strawberry. Mango. Ooh, yummy strawberry. Mango. Wait, Alex, can we switch ice creams? Sure, Wendy.
Oh, that's so nice. Sharing is caring.
That was a lot of work for just some ice cream.
I totally agree.
Wendy, did you see that?
Yes, I do.
Ooh, can we have some, please?
You know the rules.
Whoa, Bumpy!
Hello again.
Hey! Don't you want to know what the challenge is?
No, thank you.
What? Don't you want some ice cream?
No, thank you. Having too much is bad for you.
Oh, okay. You're right.
Yeah.